Hello, 7th grade math students. Here are your guided notes for 2-3A. We're working on adding and subtracting decimals, and how do you go about doing that? Make sure you're putting your name at the top of your paper. That way you receive credit for your work. Okay, I do put mine at their top right there. This is a good time to do that when I say that. Make sure you're putting your name up there. So we're going to work through some steps on adding and subtracting decimals, and this is going to be used as a guide to help you with that. Step 1 is we're going to rewrite and line up our decimal points. Line up our, okay. Step 2, we're going to add zeros to make each number have the same number of place values. Step 3, we're going to add normally from right to left. Oh, left. We're going to work through example A right here. So we're going to follow step 1. We're going to rewrite and line up our decimal points. So we're going to rewrite by lining these up vertically. So I'm going to write my 34.145 down first. I'm now going to write my 3.09. I'm going to line up our decimal points. So I'm going to put my decimal point right there. My 3 has to go there then, 09. Now I'm going to add my zeros to each one. So I'm going to add zeros to make sure they have the same number of place values. My final thing looks like this. One small hint that I can give you guys is that make sure that you're bringing down your decimal point right off the bat for when you are adding them, okay? Just bring it down right away, then you don't have to worry about it, where it belongs and everything like that. I can now add normally from right to left. So I'm gonna add from my right over to my left still. 5 and 0 give me 5. 4 and 9 give me 13. Put my 3, carry my 1. 1 plus 1 gives me 2. 2 and 0 give me 2. Just moving past my decimal point, still adding normally. 4 plus 3 gives me 7. 3 and 0 give me 3. I now have 37 and 235 thousandths. That's my answer for this problem. You'll notice that this problem's the same. We're going to do a little bit different problem, so I want you to rewrite this right now. We're going to do 56 and 952 thousandths plus 14 and 8 hundredths. So that's what the number we're going to be adding. Again, we're following the same steps. First step, we're going to rewrite and line up our decimal points. So I'm going to rewrite my first one, 56 and 952 thousandths. Line up my second one with my 14 and put my decimal point down. 1408. I need to add my zeros, my step 2. Add a 0 there. Gonna add, again, I'm gonna bring that decimal point down right off the bat to make it easier on myself so I don't have to worry about it later. Now I just add vertically from right to left, step 3. 2 and 0 give me 2. 5 plus 8 give me 13. 3, carry the 1. 9 plus 1 plus 0 give me 10, so I carry my 1 again. Moving past my decimal point, still adding like normal. 6 and 4 give me 10. 10 plus 1 gives me 11. Carry my 1. 5, 1, and 1 give me 7. 71 and 32 thousandths is my final answer. All right, I'm just going to circle this one so that way it doesn't get in the way of our rewrite there. Make sure you complete the summary down here at the bottom. Your practice problems today include A through H here. Make sure you're rewriting, solving using step 1, 2, and 3. Lining up your decimal places right off the bat, adding the zeros as needed, solving from right to left. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you rejoin me in the Google Meets and we can talk about some of these problems. Thanks, guys.